Let's talk about why data is necessary. Customer data is a critical component in how businesses interact with their customers. At its very core, it enables marketers to interact with their consumers in a way that builds loyalty and brand preference. It truly is paramount to positive relationships. The relationship between a brand and a consumer is really no different than the relationship we have between ourselves and our friends, family, coworkers, and acquaintances. The better we know people, the better the relationship. For example, if every time you saw a friend, they forgot your name, how long do you think you'd remain friends with that person? On the flip side, if that same friend always remembered what your birthday was, or how you liked your coffee, and was able to surprise you with your coffee of choice on your birthday, then you're likely to prioritize those sorts of relationships. Brands need to look at consumer interactions in the exact same way that we look at personal interactions. And that means that from the moment a consumer interacts with the business needs to identify that consumer's preferences, retain that information about who they are, what they care about, and leverage that information to make those experiences more personalized and rewarding for the consumer.